Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get more viewers on TikTok Shop Live. So I've been live streaming now for about 6 months and I've averaged about $1,000 to $2,000 per month. And so I've been pretty happy with it. And so I've learned quite a few things when it comes to going live on TikTok. I'd say the primary thing that it really comes down to is product selection. My recommendation is to have a bunch of products that I've sold like tens of thousands before on TikTok. I've realized that usually when I tend to live stream products which don't really have any sales, or only have like a couple hundred sales, or even like 1,000 sales, they don't really perform well on TikTok Shop Live. Now, in contrast to that, products where there's like tens of thousands of sales, like 50,000 sales, 10,000 sales, 25,000 sales, those products tend to perform better on TikTok Shop Live. So I've live streamed like vacuum cleaners, TV backlights, security cameras, pots and pans, and all of those have already had a ton of sales on TikTok. So that really helps kind of understand that for TikTok to push viewers to my live stream. So product selection is very, very key. Secondly, having a good setup to your live stream also really helps. So, when people are scrolling through TikTok, they only have a couple of seconds to kind of understand what's going on. So in those first couple of seconds, you should have something that actually attracts individuals, whether it's the sound of a vacuum, or whether it's the lights of a TV backlight, or whether it's the movement of a security camera. All those things are actually engagement tactics and are basically hooks to get people to stay watching on your live stream. Now, the third thing is that actually being mindful of what other people are live streaming successfully. Usually the products that I've live streamed before, I actually saw someone else live stream on TikTok, and there's always room for more than one live streamer to actually live stream the same product. So if someone's live streaming a TV backlight and it's working for them, that'll kind of lead me to think like, okay, maybe I should actually try live streaming the TV backlight as well. If someone's live streaming adjustable dumbbell weights, that's kind of my signal to actually try and live stream adjustable dumbbell weights. So there's the aspect of looking at others, and then there's the aspect of looking the amount of sales on TikTok Shop Live. I'd say it's a series of like A/B split testing in which you do want to live stream a product for at least 45 minutes before switching over to another product. I'd say 45 minutes is kind of like a good marker to kind of stick with and see if a product is a good product to live stream with. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below.